Ito yung ramen na palagi kong nakikita sa comment section kapag may ramen war. Welcome to part 1 of my Michelin series, and for my first stop, we have Ramen Ron. We visited the one in BGC pero their main branch is in Makati. We ordered signature tantanmen and tonkotsu ramen. Mas nagustuhan ko tong tantanmen because of the balanced nutty sesame flavor with the right kick of spice, chewy noodles, and kapit yung richness ng broth. Yung tonkotsu ramen naman has classic creamy broth. Medyo naalatan lang ako towards the end of the bowl, pero feeling ko kasalanan ko yun kasi naglagay ako ng extra spices. Mas mahal siya compared sa usual ramen spots, pero if you're exploring Michelin selected restaurants or you're a hardcore ramen fan, I think it's worth trying. Babalikan ko ba to? Yes, but probably not anytime soon. Follow along as we explore more Michelin selected restaurants in this series.